Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video is all about rheumatoid arthritis and fiber. So there is no specific diet out there that can help cure RA, but there are things that you can do to hopefully help alleviate some of your symptoms regarding RA. So again, this video is about fiber. So that being said, what happens is that studies are showing that fiber helps reduce CRP or C-reactive protein in our blood. C-reactive protein markers in our blood show inflammation. So if those numbers are low when you get your labs drawn, then it's likely that you have less inflammation going on in your body. Now, we're not sure yet if it's the fiber itself that helps bring that CRP down, or if it's the phytonutrients or plant nutrients that are associated with these high fiber foods. So foods such as fruits and vegetables, beans, whole grains, as well as nuts and seeds, all good sources of fiber and all filled with phytonutrients and antioxidants. So again, having a diet rich in fiber is beneficial. So you want at least 25 to 38 grams per day. But I've said it in my fiber videos, if you are increasing your fiber intakes, make sure you also increase your fluid intakes to prevent constipation. So some whole grain choices for you are going to be whole wheat pasta, brown rice, oatmeal, whole wheat bread, as well as, quinoa, we can say, for a whole grain, although it's technically a seed in the way that it is grown, but we would eat it as a grain. So nuts and seeds I mentioned, so walnuts and almonds, ground flaxseed, as well as chia seeds, great sources of fiber and phytonutrients. And then fruits and vegetables. So the darker the skin, cherries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, the higher the antioxidants and the more phytonutrients in there. And then dark leafy greens, so broccoli as well as spinach and I'm blanking, but we'll stick with broccoli and spinach and other dark leafy greens, great sources of those phytonutrients as well, and fiber. So again, increasing those foods in your diet as well as beans, black beans, pinto beans, red kidney beans, and garbanzo beans are all great choices for you. So hopefully these tips were helpful. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Comment below anything you'd like to see as well, nutrition related. After all, this channel is for you and I am here to help. And a quick shout out to my Fat to Fit weight loss group on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.